Keeping your facility clean and those who are within it is always a win. Maximize your disinfection program with the Victory handheld sprayer. When paired with a powerful state solution in mechanical mode, the Victory sprayer makes it a breeze to disinfect and refresh common areas throughout your facility. And because it's battery powered, this wireless sprayer is versatile and easy to operate for up to 4 hours. That's anywhere between 20 to 80 tanks of disinfectant on a single charge. Use the Victory sprayer anywhere you need rapid disinfection, like schools, public transportation, administrative buildings, healthcare facilities, and more. Disinfect wherever and whenever to get the job done and get back to work with peace of mind that your facility is cared for. The Victory Sprayer, another great solution by State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.